It's the end of November. Why am I doing this? Hi, October favorites. An October favorites video. I said I was gonna do one of these for the whole year, and it looks like I'm gonna do it. It looks like I'm gonna do it! As I'm itching my boob, I'm like, hey everyone! So I don't know what is wrong today, but I don't know if it's, I did my makeup wrong. I don't know if you can see my under eyes here, but I have what was that? Jesus. I've had to like reapply my under eyes. Not even kidding, like 6 times today. I keep crying. There keeps being like tear pockets like forming under my eyes. And like nothing's irritating my eyes. I just don't understand what's happening. So I have this like jacked up beauty blender here that I've had for like 18,000 years sitting here because I keep crying. Like what is sad? Actually, we'll get into that. Oh. But I'm not actually crying is what I'm trying to say. So I tried to look folly, like Folly D. What the fuck am I? Whenever I turn on the camera, I always get so excited and then I turn into like a weirdo, like just like a straight up weirdo. Anyways, this is my October favorite. Okay, pause. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I have a total of 3 videos that I'm going to be posting close together, and then I'm going to be posting new content. This is 2 out of 3. I filmed it. I didn't want to waste the content, so I'm just getting those out of the way before new content. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you don't care about older content, it's still me. It's not that old. And I will see you guys in the next few videos with new stuff. I'm also posting new vlogs in a few days, so I'm very excited to get back in it. Some of you guys like these. Actually, a lot of you guys, whenever I say like there's nobody that likes these anymore, there's a lot of you that say to me, yeah, I actually do really like them. So these are for the people that do like them. Thank you and hello. Here we are. October was kind of like, I'd say October is the worst month I've had this year so far, which is good in the long scheme of things, because if you think about it in the glass half full way, only having 1 month that's like really like not good. Out of all the other months I've had that are like amazing and me happiness and everything, it's a good thing. So having 1 month that's kind of like I wasn't really posting anything, wasn't really motivated to do anything, let alone leave the bed, but I'm doing good now. And I know some of you guys might be like, oh, well, you're always feeling like this. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna go with what I hated in the month first, because I would do like what I love and hate in the month. So what I hated in the month was my family, like a family sickness. There's somebody in my family who is really sick and not doing well, and it's really taking a toll on my other family members, obviously, and myself, and seeing my family members sad. And I talk about it more in an updates video, but it's a sad time right now, and like memories keep popping up on my phone with this person, and it's like really sad. It's just sad. It's sad all around, and it's sad to like talk about. I like kind of wasn't really posting in the month. I was posting, but like barely. I was still like keeping, you know, relevant and like posting snaps and Instagram stories, and like all of it kind of just like hit at once. There was another thing that happened in my life that was like personally that like triggered me. I talk about that again more in my updates video, which I'm gonna leave linked down below. But yeah, like, and then that was like a personal thing which had to do with me already feeling sad with all this that I just talked about, and then everything kind of hit me and I got really sad. Anyway, I'm doing okay now. I'm not saying I'm doing great, but I was like canceling plans with friends. I wasn't going out. I was saying I was going out, then at the last minute I'm like, no, like I really don't feel like I'm going to. But that's okay. Like if you have good people in your life, they'll understand. So that's one thing I hated in the month, is like family sickness, family sadness, especially so close to Christmas. Well, anytime really. That's one thing I hated. Actually, that's the only thing I hated in the month, other than like my Halloween costume didn't come till after Halloween. So I'm going to show you guys the things that I have been loving. Something I have been loving is I have been journaling. Look at this cute little Amy Winehouse sticker of Hello Kitty that a subscriber sent to me a really long time ago. This journal I've had for so long. Like my first journal entry here was literally March 7th. Let me show you just one thing, because you know how I journal like my days? I've been doing something to like pass the time, I guess you would say, or be more creative, and that is like doing collages, like just picking out things that I find that are cute in magazines and then just like pasting them all together in a random way. It helps me take my mind off of things. It helps me get out of bed. So this is a really good thing. This is just like a real favorites video, I guess. I feel like your mental health comes first. You can't have your mental health and push it. If your mental health isn't right, you can't push it, is what I'm saying. So trying as much as you can, trying as much as you can really helps. I think it's really beneficial for anyone to journal. It doesn't matter how you journal. The next thing I've been loving in the month is this lip gloss. I love this so much. This is the Fenty Beauty Heat, and this is in Lemon Lava. I don't get lemon at all from this. I don't know why it's called Lemon Lava. It smells like when you blow out a candle. Not a lemon candle. Ooh, maybe a lemon candle. But it's called Heat because when you put it on, like I've been wearing this, it's sticky. So that's one thing I'm like about this, but other than that, it's like smooth. You can tell I'm wearing gloss. It hits all the angles, all the lighting. It's beautiful. Actually, it's not too sticky. It's not like a MAC one where it's like your hair's all sticking to it. I'm wearing it over top of a lip liner right now, and it just, I love it so much. It's called Heat because, see, I can feel my eyes watering again, both of them. What the hell is that? I don't even know anyone? Bueller? Hello? It's a plumping lip gloss, so you put it on, your lips automatically feel like they've got like bee stings, and then you like rubbed your lips on like, what's that stuff you're not supposed to touch, like insulation, like you went with this, and it's like but I love how it looks. I love how it stays on. I'll like go drinking and it'll stay on. I'm like, how? So love this. I've always liked Fenty Beauty products. I think they're a touch expensive, especially in this day and age, but they are worth it. They are worth the price. I just think like spending a bunch on makeup, like I used to do it all the time, and now I'm like more drugstore, but like this is worth it. There are certain things that are like worth it. This is worth it. This is the first Heat one that I've tried, and I really like it, so I think I'm gonna try more of them. It's just so sparkly and delicious. I want Okay, the next thing I've been loving, okay, buy these. These are like my 6th box of these. Are we showing the back? Okay, these are the Laughing Cow cheese dippers. Honestly, you know where I got these? Dollarama. Okay, first of all, they're $4. I hate when people are like $4. I thought it was Dollarama. And it's like, yeah, Dollarama, $4. How do we not like Dollarama? It's an AMA of dollars. Could be 1, could be 2. They say like they can't go over like what, $5? I think that's what they say. It literally says, let me look it up. This is turned into a pet peeves video. This is their logo. It literally says $1 $1 plus. People just like don't read the fine print and then they get mad. It's like, you didn't read it. Oh, this turned into a pet peeve video. Anyways, $4 for this is a good price with like everything skyrocketing. Honestly, especially being name brand, I love Laughing Cow. Cheese is expensive anyway. But these are, here, I have one open. Oh my God, there's one left in here. Austin takes these for his lunches. They look like this. They're like breadsticks. And then there's the Laughing Cow cheese, and I love Laughing Cow cheese. It's kind of like cream cheese, cartoons, like comics on there. And like, I'm obsessed. I love cheese so much. I thought it expired. These expire soon. I'll eat them all. Yum. Okay, another thing I've been loving are these. I don't know what these are called. Hair claws? Claw clips? They're called something. I forget what they are. I live a scrunchy life. I am Samantha and I live a scrunchy life. My eyes are watering again. I'm literally taking off my makeup after this. Like, what is this? I'm like crying about what? My body just wants to cry, bitch. Like, just cry. I'm like holding it in. It's like forming tears. These, I'll just like be chilling, you know, like a villain. Editing, journaling, laying in my bed. I'll just take my hair, ow, if it's not caught to my earring. And then it looks cute. Well, normally, right now I look like a flight attendant on the way to Alberta or something. I can't. So why would that be the first thing that comes to my head? I was trying to think of like somewhere like stupid to go. And then I thought like if I say anywhere, people are gonna get mad. So I just said the whole province of Alberta, which I love Alberta. I'm there like once a month. So I don't know why that came to my head. Anyway, I used to use these a lot as a kid and then I stopped using them. But these are good for like a quick updo when your hair's like, you don't want to do anything to it. It like always looks good. And it always looks good on everyone. Or those who can like get their hair into this, you know. If you're washing your hair instead of a scrunchie, getting your hair out of your face, doing makeup. I've just been really liking these. I got this one at Walmart, I want to say. And this one of my really good friends just gave me. I was like, okay, we love a gift. Like, oh. Okay, next. This looks gross. But anyway, I always used to apply my foundation with a beauty blender. This is like my 40th time showing this beauty blender. But I have not been doing that. I have been using this crusty. It's crusty. I'm crusty. MAC 170. I think this is a foundation brush. It just says MAC 170. And I've been using a brush. What am I feel like I'm living in 2015 right now, using a brush, but I feel like it's stippling brush, might be called. Woo! I did a tongue pop. No, I didn't. I feel like it makes your makeup look airbrushed more than the Beauty Blender. It's good to switch up your makeup. Yes, I know, like different applications, but I really like the way, I should have cleaned this before showing you, but I just used it and I really, really like it. So it's sort of like angled and like flat top there. Me. And I just feel like it blends in your makeup really well. Like, I feel like MAC also, like, nobody talks about MAC anymore. This is sad. So many brands are, like, not being talked about anymore, and it's sad. Okay, my next fave, I think this was in my last favorites video too, but I really, really like this. This is the Jaclyn Hill Luminous Rouge Blush, and it's in Love Poem. I love this stuff. What I do is I take some of this and I throw it onto the lid, and then I use my blush brush in there, and then I just use some. I'm wearing it today, if you can tell. If I haven't cried it all off yet, like literally there was a tear. Look, you could like see the tear that landed here. Like, I don't know what is wrong. Whenever I'm wearing a blush recently, it's always this. So if you see my cheeks be rosy, it's this. I also love the packaging. I got this at Winners. I love how it like securely closes. You can hear it every time. Of course, there's people that don't like Jaclyn Hill, so they're gonna be like, it sucks. Like, okay, I don't not like her, and I don't do like, you know, I'm kind of just like, okay, she's Jaclyn Hill, like let her do her thing, right? But her products, love. Another one of my favorites in the month is Dr. Salama, my plastic surgeon who redid my boobies. Look at the lines on my shirt are like straight across. Like, what? Before, if I was to put on a shirt, they would have been like, like literally, like it's like they're like straight across, like what? So I'm just really, really happy with my surgery. I know I've talked so much about it, so I'm not gonna like go overboard, but like literally Dr. Salama changed like everything. Like, I feel so good. If you want to see them, go to the link in my Instagram bio, like if you want to see them. But like things just like fit me like better, I'd say, and I like fill out things, and I don't like have to like keep like adjusting it. Like, it just fits, and I'm so happy about it. So yay to Dr. Salama. Am I living? There's no pulse. Wait, what? Oh, I felt it. I was like, we're in a simulation, girl. Oh my god. The next three are repeats of favorites I've had before, so I'm just gonna go through them quite quickly, but they really are truly favorites that I had in October. I don't fake these videos. I don't like grab products that I just see sitting there. Like, I will show you what I've actually been using and loving. Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, Jaclyn Hill 2 times in a row. I'm like, I don't really like her. I don't not like her. Also me. Jaclyn Hill. This is the best palette, I think, of all time that I've ever used. It has every single color. I have not hit pan on anything, so it doesn't look like I used anything ever. But I've had this for so long, and I love it. Today I use this one right here in my crease. Okay, well, I started with this one in the crease to build it, because, you know, I'm a beauty guru. And then I use this to make that dark shade. I probably cried it all off, but this dark shade right here. And then I used this color going all over the lid. And then I did those both underneath here. This one right here. I could tell you the names, but I'd rather just point. This one, and I tried to do like, I like angled my brush and I tried to do like a cat eye with it just at the very end. And I feel like it worked. It looks cute. I got lots of compliments on my makeup already from my friends. It's probably because they know I'm sad. So they're like, your makeup looks cute. But yeah, love that. Another one of my favorites is, I think I showed this last month. This is my favorite eye cream. Maybe this is what's making me cry. This is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. And I've needed that in October. And I was having a really bad month, like I said. So this helped with that. So we love this. And the smell of it, it smells like, I hope last month I didn't say, yum, it smells so good. But it smells like nail polish remover. I just got a scam text. It says, you've received a $1 million refund. Click. Honestly, that's the only scam text where I'm like, should I do it? I love this stuff. It like really does depuff. Don't get it in your eyes. Why would I say that? What the anyways, and then this, because it's getting colder out, I'm actually almost done it. I love that sound. When I'm scrolling through TikTok and everyone's like, shh. Shh, love. I'm like, that's like literally my brain. If I were to ever do acid, I've never done acid before, but if I were to ever do acid, I feel like that's what it would be like. Love, shh, love. This is the St. Ives Gentle Soothing Smoothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. Smooths away dryness and even skin texture. I bought this at Walmart, so I was like, does it, right? It's St. Ives, like it's like kind of a basic brand. It does. When I'm like chilling in the bath, relaxing, I'll use it just as a scrub. I've used it as a mask before and it burned. So I just use it as a scrub and I'll let it sit for like a minute and then I'll wash it off and my skin is so smooth. So need this because it's getting colder out. We have snow on the ground. And those were all my physical favorites. Now on to like my favorite song, movie, TikToker of the month. My favorite song of October was pretty much anything by Elvis. I was listening to a lot of Elvis because of the movie in the summer when me and my family went. But I don't know why, like in October, I just was like all about Elvis. I think it's because it came onto the Fire Stick in October. So I was watching that a lot. That is not my favorite movie of the month though. Jailhouse Rock, I would say, is my favorite song of the month. It should have been something spooky. I was listening to spooky music, or trying to, but it just always went back to Elvis. My heart always goes back to you, Elvie. My favorite show of the month is the new season of Hell's Kitchen. Hell's Kitchen is my favorite series to put on if like I need background noise. A lot of people's are like The Office or I forget what are people like, Friends, stuff like that. Mine is like Hell's Kitchen. I love hearing Gordon Ramsay yelling. I'm like, ooh, sent a tingle through my body. There's a new, me crying about it, it's so good. It's literally so good. There's a new series, no, a new season of Hell's Kitchen that came out, and it's really good so far, so I'm pretty sure I already know who wins, but no spoilers, please. It's a brand new one, so that's what I've been watching. My favorite TikToker of the month is Lawrence, and he gets so much hate, and I'm so, like, I hate people. I literally hate people. Like, when people leave such evil, disgusting comments on, like, happy, fun, positive people, it just makes me, like, sick. His username is Lawrence TikTok 90. He's from the UK, and he makes, like, weight loss videos and eating videos and cooking videos, and he's just like so full of energy and he's so sweet. Like, I just like love his energy. I literally will lay in this bed and like refresh his page until he posts a new TikTok. Like, that's how much I love Lawrence. Like, I love Lawrence. He's made me very happy in this month, and he posts like multiple times a day. It puts a smile on my face, and I know he's not watching this, but I love you, Lawrence, and thank you for putting a smile on my face. Me crying, me using the beauty blender. Okay, my favorite movie of the month, if you like thrillers, okay, this isn't a scary movie. This is more of like a thriller drama. So it's not like pop out, go scary. Because I know some of you guys are always like, why do you always have to say like scary movies? I hate scary movies, some of you. But this one is called Swallow. I know that the name can be enticing. Like, what? What are you watching, girl? But I just looked it up and I was going to tell you like Jennifer Lawrence is in it. It's not Jennifer Lawrence. How is that not Jennifer Lawrence? Her name is Haley Bennett. Google Haley Bennett and then Jennifer Lawrence, and please tell me that they don't look identical, like twins, like long lost twins. We're in a simulation. I don't want to tell you about it. It is such a good movie. It's like a slower paced movie, but it's very intriguing. Like, you don't want to stop watching it. It's not boring. When I say slower paced, I don't mean like boring. You just have to pay attention. It's more like a slower watch. Sometimes I hate those movies because I want more like, hey, when is the person gonna die? Like, pull up the sword. You know? This one is more of like a psychological, like, what is, like, and then when something happens, you're like, what? I was not expecting that. Like, it's like shocking almost. I can't believe it's not Jennifer Lawrence. The whole time I thought it was Jennifer Lawrence. But anyways, the top search is, what is the point of the movie Swallow? Is Swallow based on a true story? Is Swallow worth watching? Where can I find the movie Swallow? Like, there's literally like questions on Google about it. That's everything. Those are all my favorites, loves, and hates of the month. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching me and continuing to watch me. And if you want to book me on Cameo, a lot of people have been booking me on Cameo lately. I'm like doing cameos every second day. Like, what? Like, thank you guys so much. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.